mukbang time. This is gonna be my only mukbang. I'm gonna add another egg. I have a bad cough right now. I'm gonna go to the fridge and get some food, and y'all are coming with me. I got her egg. I thought I dropped it, but I didn't. Time to eat. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 of doing mukbang. Oh wait, I got it. I got food on my phone for like 10 seconds, but I removed it, luckily. I might do another mukbang, I don't know. Because this food's really good. And y'all have to enjoy it with me. So I'm gonna... Sorry about that. I'm sorry about the audio. My sister's on her phone right now. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 because I'm trying to get the yolk outside the egg, so it adds a little bit of spice to it because it has some chili pepper seasoning in it. Oh wait, I got a piece of bacon. Part 2 coming out in like 10 seconds. This is so good looking. Look, I changed the color to it. My hair looks really good.